Hey, Moody Foodies! Forget about dreaming of a white Christmas this year. Instead, let's dream about something way cooler. Our Christmas margarita. That's right, we're giving the good old margarita holiday makeover. And trust me, it's like a Christmas miracle in a glass. Serving up smiles one dish at a time. Food is Thy Mood is now live. So what's the secret to turning this classic cocktail into a winter wonderland in a cup? Simple, coconut milk and cream of coconut. These two ingredients are the unsung heroes of our Christmas margarita, making it the perfect tropical escape during the chilly holiday season. Originally, we only used coconut milk, but then we had a light bulb moment. Let's add cream of coconut for that extra oomph of creamy sweetness. And voila! It was like Santa himself blessed our drink. Coconut milk, a staple in tropical cuisines, is derived from the grated meat of mature coconuts. Its origins trace back to Southeast Asia, the Indian subcontinent, and parts of Africa. Rich in nutrients, coconut milk contains lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties, and medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs, which are believed to support metabolism. It's a vegan alternative to dairy, offering a creamy texture and subtle sweetness to dishes and beverages. The process of making coconut milk involves soaking the grated coconut flesh in hot water and then straining it. Resulting in a rich white liquid. Cream of coconut, on the other hand, is a sweeter, thicker version primarily used in desserts and cocktails. It differs from coconut cream. The latter is less sweet and more focused on the coconut's natural flavors. Cream of coconut is made by cooking coconut milk with added sugar, resulting in a consistency similar to condensed milk. This ingredient not only enhances the sweetness of recipes, but also contributes to luxurious creaminess. The inclusion of these two coconut derivatives in the Christmas margarita offers a delightful fusion of tropical essence with traditional holiday flavors, creating a unique and festive cocktail experience. Now, when it comes to the ice, we've found that 4 cups hit the sweet spot for that dreamy frozen texture. But hey, you're the boss of your blender, so feel free to tweak it to your liking. Quick heads up, due to the coconut milk, these drinks might play a little game of separate and see. No worries, just give them a quick stir to get everything back together. Want to mix things up? Here are some variations. For a creamier texture, add more cream of coconut. If you're in the mood for something sweeter, throw in some simple syrup. And about the alcohol, we recommend sticking with silver tequila to keep it as white as the North Pole. But if tequila's not your jam, swap it for rum or vodka. It won't technically be a margarita, but hey, it's Christmas, anything goes. Silver tequila, traditionally made from the blue agave plant in Mexico, is known for its clear, crisp flavor, making it a favorite for margaritas. For those preferring a twist, rum, distilled from sugarcane or molasses, offers a sweet and sometimes spicy profile. Vodka, a versatile spirit typically made from fermented grains or potatoes, provides a more neutral base. Simple syrup, a bartender staple made from equal parts sugar and water, is used to balance acidity and add sweetness, allowing for customization of the drink's sweetness to one's palate. Now let's talk garnishes. This is where you can really strut your festive stuff. Sure, we've gone with the classic cranberries and lime, but why not jazz it up? Add sugared cranberries, a sprig of rosemary, or a mint leaf to turn your drink into a true holiday masterpiece. So have you tried making one yet? Drop a comment and let us know how it went. For the full list of ingredients, here's what you'll need. 1 can or 14 ounce of unsweetened coconut milk. 2 tablespoons cream of coconut, 12-ounce silver tequila, 8-ounce triple sec, 1/4 cup lime juice, 4 cups ice, a lime wedge for rimming your glass, sanding sugar for that icy rim, lime slices and cranberries for garnish. And here's how you whip up this holiday magic. Step 1. Throw the coconut milk, cream of coconut, tequila, triple sec, lime juice, and ice into a blender. Blend until it's smoother than a snowball. Step 2. Grab your glasses, rim them with the lime wedge, and dip them in sanded sugar for that extra sparkle. Pour in festive concoction and add a lime slice and cranberries for garnish. Now here's a bonus tip for our moody foodies. To make your Christmas margarita extra special, chill the glasses in the freezer before serving. This not only adds a frosty touch reminiscent of winter, but also keeps your drink cooler for longer, ensuring every sip is as refreshing as the first. And there you have it, folks, your very own Christmas margarita. Cheers to a merry and bright holiday season. So what's your twist on this festive margarita? Share your unique variations or special garnishing ideas in the comments. We'd love to hear how you're making the Christmas margarita your own. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and festive drink ideas. Hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. We're excited to be part of your holiday celebrations.